channel guide Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Blue Lock Season 2 episode number 14. The final episode, the finale episode. We're finally here guys. My god. I just watched episode 13 and reacted to it. So if you have not watched the reaction, if you have not seen my reaction to that episode, please check it out. It's dropped. And if you're seeing this, it's definitely dropped. So yeah, it was wild guys. So before going to the reaction, I would like to just make sure that we are on the same page and recap what happened in the previous episode. And to say in few words, at the end of the episode, Rin cracked. Rin got suddenly a strong hatred and grudge on Isagi because he was taking the spotlight from Rin and becoming the center of attention and center core of Blue Lock. Even though Isagi still considers Rin to be the core, so there seems to be a misunderstanding. But anyway, Isagi is slowly becoming, not slowly, he has, and I think so now, has already become the playmaker, and he is the one who is leading the team. And Rin can't digest that. Like, he can't digest the fact that Isagi is the one who is overcoming, like overshadowing him and gaining the attention of his brother. And the other frustration is that he is not able to also like overcome or even reach the potential of Ichoshi says. Like, he's not able to reach Shido's potential even. Like, he doesn't understand what his brother sees in Shido. Like, he wants to become that, but he's not able to. He's becoming erratic. He's using his whole body to defend the walls and everything. So all of those scenes, like, it's so cool to see. Like, Rin act like that, like giving his complete 100% to do something, because till now he was like cool, nonchalant. I'm the prodigy, I can do anything. But no, not anymore. Everyone has risen to that level, so you're not special anymore. You're not at all special. So step up, and I think so he's going to step up in this episode. Like, that's what I thought. Like, he cracked, and I think so he's going to try to become like Shido more, not Shido, Baro more, and is going to target Isagi again. And yeah, this is the final episode. So Isagi has not scored till now, and I am like predicting or basically like making a guess that he is going to be the one who is going to score the last goal, which is going to lead them to victory, and Blue Lock is the team that is going to win. This is my prediction. Most probably this is what's going to happen, because if Blue Lock doesn't win, Blue Lock won't exist. U20 team is going to pass. So wild man, like, if for Isagi to score, he has to now stop Rin, Hideyoshi say, Mr. Policeman, Baro, and the whole U20 team, of course. But all of these people who are targeting Isagi specifically. What? How will he do that? He's not that great of a player, definitely. Like, even he recognizes that. So what can he do? Even if he enters flow, he is good at making plays. Like, he's good at making playmaking. That's what I'm trying to say. He's good at playmaking, so his flow will be related to that, not scoring the goal. I don't know how the author is going to achieve this and everything, but that's what makes me excited, because this is unpredictable. What's going to happen, I don't know. Even though I have predicted many things, I don't know how he's going to achieve that. So that's what I'm here for, guys. So without wasting much time, let's get to the final episode. Yeah, something broke your name. Last 2 minutes, wow, it's getting close. Maybe they will get overtime. Wow, we are seeing credits already, so no opening song for this episode. Woo, Rin took it, yeah. Man, his size also turned into Hideyoshi size and Isagi size. Yeah, full animal, carnal. Rival shit, revenge shit. Wow. What is this? What is this form of Rin? So no opening this time. Final matchup, huh? No combination this time. Pure carnal instinct, yeah. He wants to dominate. He wants to show, yeah, your tongue is out. Man, this is over dramatic. Man, the red light and everything, it feels like Shibuya incident. What is this? Yeah. Shit, tattooed bald monk, what? Man, he became that Bully Maguire meme. He got, well, you are already late, yeah? The second one down. Wow, he's going to one-on-one everyone. What is this, man? Something is going to stop him. Wow, yeah. Nice, yeah, exactly. But the dramatics, man. Nice. Nice, yeah. It was so close to being a fall. Yeah, we did not see Ego in the previous episode, man. I missed him. So he's in flow now, huh? Nice. So this is flow of Itoshi Ren. Crushing the strengths of others. Complete opposite of Itoshi says beautiful, yeah. Absolutely mangle it. Come on, let's see. Flow versus flow. Yeah. Let's see. This is the first time flow versus flow, right? Something is going to stop him, man. That's what I'm waiting for. And no one seems to be near him. Even Itoshise is far. Man, the music, man. The choirs behind, so cool. I don't know if you can hear this. What? Unpredictable. Even for Mr. Policeman who is in the flow. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, of course. The only person who can match his ego. My cells are in love. Horny bastard. Nice, Shido. Cool. 50-50. Cool. Bet all. The gambler. But he's not going to pass. Stop clinging to me. What did he do? Oh, wow. Man. Rinse flow is a little bit violent than I thought. I thought it's going to be like water. Huh? What's he doing? Oh, Mr. Policeman just missed it by... Nice goalkeeper, I don't know his name. Oh man, this is going to break Rin. Yeah. How many minutes left? 1 minute? Even Say. Yeah, Say got it. Oh no. Still halfway. Oh man. Rin is going to commit suicide. Shit. Overtime? 1 minute overtime. Additional time, I mean. Nice. I thought so. But Say has the ball now. What now? He's going to give it his all. Yeah. Man. The aspect ratio changed. I'm just realizing it now. I don't know why. It's feeling like a movie. Yeah, hold them off. Oh, nice. The animation, man, they're going all out. Cool, man, this animation. The whole season deserved this, man. But it's okay now. Let's not talk about it. Who is going to stop him? Rio? Man, so nice to see animators stepping up. This is what they wanted to show us. But maybe budget crunches. Puzzle pieces. Nice. Wow, Rin is still alive. Come on. Hitoshi say. Yeah, scored. Yeah, he failed. He looks like a zombie.
上のマウントに貴様だってめ
Mm.
元ほど知らずに死ねたのになこんなところにしゃ自業自得だ
Yeah, we saw the aspect ratio change during their flashback too, right? Mm.
もうしなきゃサッカーもできない俺の
Mm.
影と
That's true, actually.
カス弟だ
Wow, but that was harsh.
無理んだよもうミラなんかすんじゃねえよ
Mm.
気がする
What? Did it take you this long? Is myself.
ぶっ壊さなきゃ俺自身だ
Wow. Took too long, man. The obvious one. Wow, man.
天才の
Animators.
相棒
You're trying to show what you actually wanted to do throughout this season, right?
このいい価値観で俺の人生を犯すな俺は
This is some Vinland Saga shit,
じゃ
man.
ない
Past demons trying to destroy him.
弟は
Well, it was a little bit obvious, man. This is not some kind of revelation.
一生委ねろ
Hmm.
うわ
Wow.
俺だ
The animation, we are eating good, man, Blue Lock fans. At least for the final episode.
エゴイスト
Itashiri.
そして
Come on, take the tongue inside. Don't be like that.
次俺とサッカーしよ
The same expression, what?
お前そうできんじゃん
Wow. Movie animation. I'm sorry, I'm commenting on the animations for so long. This is new for Blue Lock fans. Final matchup. Oh. Oh. Nice. Yeah. I just want to I'm just seeing animators inside them, man. I'm not even seeing the anime. Them trying to show what they are capable of after all this criticism. If only they had much more time and more budget. Well done. Yeah, the final matchup. This is a shonen battle. Wow! Nice, Rin. Yeah. Say. The ball is in the air. Who will take it? Isagi. It's going to be Isagi, right? Can he reach it? No. Sendo? Ah. Isagi. That's what I thought. Score! Score! Luck! Ooh, the fifth element, yeah. Goal! It's goal! It's goal! The goalkeeper can't stop it. He can't reach it? I don't think so, no. No more twist, no. Goosebumps. Can he? Nice, nice, nice. Finally. Wow, what a goal. No build up, nothing. Just silent. What a pose, man. Yeah. I was just trying to imagine how will author achieve Isagi's goal. This was brilliant, man. No ego, no build up, nothing. Just pure football. In the goal area, who stayed behind in the goal area? Yeah, he saw the puzzle pieces. He saw that Rin could stop Itoshise. Ego! I'm so happy. Cool. Yeah, the ratio setup again. I just want to say, well done animators, you too. You showed us what you could do. I recognize you, animator. I don't know, of course they are not going to watch my video, but even then, brilliant. Yeah, Isagi, nice. He's the only one who stayed behind, the man who stayed behind. He could see the vision. Cool. He wanted to play with his brother a little while.
時間切れだ
Hmm.
俺からお前への一撃パス取りつく前にあいつが来た
But what will happen to them now?
止められたお兄ちゃん様のミスで僕のゴールって計算でいいな連絡先ぐらいよ
Ah, he's still after that. He loves him, man.
シャワー浴びてからにしろ
Wait till I hit the showers first. Wow. They're such a good partners, man.
ヒーロー
So unexpected partners. Nice goal, hero. Yeah.
あ
Yeah.
とは決められるポイント
Nice.
それとあいつの夢中
Exactly. He could see all those things.
一緒だ
の条件が重なるところに
Chef's kiss, man. Superb.
そこに降ってきた
I like this, man. I loved this so much.
呼び込んだが
Isagi's goal, yeah. Isagi's goal being such a smooth and no build-up goal.
ブルロ
So unpredictable. Man, this satisfied me, man. The goal. I was expecting him for it to be unrealistic and shit. So satisfying. Yeah, Rin. Realizing that, yeah. More. He has to grow more. I'm sorry I'm talking a lot.
謝ってたよ
I'm just excited.
本人はろくな捨てないと思ってたもう呼び起こし
Hmm.
この国の差を変えるのは
This is Isagi.
潔与一あのエゴイストなのかもしれない
Oh no, Rin. Don't feel depressed.
この国はバレる
Hmm. Don't feel depressed, Rin. Don't do it.
呼ばれてんの
Why is this guy still here?
旅だってよ
What?
行ってこい
Wow, already on international stage or at least national stage. Isagi, nice.
潔をお聞かせください
Yeah, man. Well, that pose, so cool. It was so cool
活躍で
with that aspect ratio and everything.
今後に向け
Yeah, to be the best striker in the world.
見ろよ
That's right. Come on, say it. Wow, crowd is chanting his name. I'm just realizing that. Yoichi. Isagi Yoichi. Yeah, he deserves it, man. All of this growth was so organic. Yeah, all for this one goal. I like that, man. I like that. The celebration. World Cup.
ブルーロックは優勝します
It's beautiful. That's not it, yeah. Not only World Cup.
俺が日本を安堵させます
Nice. That is the egoist. Phase 1 completed. Ego must be so proud. The music, man, the chanting and everything. I'm so happy that Blue Lock this kind of got this kind of ending. It deserves it, man. Even though the animators could not show their full potential, it deserves this. Great job. But what will happen to U20 team now? Will they be disqualified or they will join Blue 20? What? Hmm.
お前らは吸い遂げたダボール人
Yeah, don't let this be the peak.
ブルーロックの
It's the beginning of Blue Lock. Hmm.
俺は変わらない
Exactly.
ワールドカップ英雄を生み出すために
Isagi has already claimed that
それ以
hero
外
to be.
の人生は
Oh no! Ren is so depressed.
才能の源
He is acting like a loser now, man. Ren. Yeah. Yeah. Gives me chills. Me too, man.
上等だよ
Man, everyone is so buff. I forgot that they was this buff. Cool. Good job, Isagi. Yeah. He's looking for Ren. Everyone feeling inspired. Yeah, that kid. He wore Hitoshi's shirt, right? Maybe he's going to buy Isagi's now. I don't know. Exhibition match ends. I thought they would show Isagi meeting Rin and something, their meetup. Is there any scenes after this? Post-credit scenes? Oh wow, they are showing it. Nice. I needed this.
生まれなかった
Absolutely, of course. But he won't like this. Condescending.
勝つ信じてた結果だ
Hmm.
もうから
Yeah, that was a big
あの
element.
チャンスを
He was lucky
ありがと
to
う
be the one who stayed behind.
俺とゴールだ
Ah man, he's going to kill him. Rin is going to punch him. Nice. He recognized Isagi as rival. Come on, Isagi. Well done. This is a bigger
忘れる
prize for you, hopefully.
絶対殺すって意味だやってみろ
Go ahead and try. Nice. What next?
いかがでしたか皆さん
Japan. Hmm.
だけ
Cool. Hype, hype. Wild card, yeah.
最もフットボールの熱い場所に突如として出
Huh?
現する
Who's this? Wild card?
ブルーロックプロジェクトフェ
Is that our the Bleach MC type of guy who got disqualified? Egoly? Egoistly? What is this? Who was that guy? Wild card? What's this? Who is this now?
ブルーロック
What's happening? Who are these guys? Well, guys, the final episode ends there. What can I say, man? I don't have the vocabulary to describe the shit that happened just now. I just wanted to say, or basically convey this. So wild, like it's stuck in my brain, man. Isagi doing that. Everything was so quick. Like the ball reaching Isagi, him scoring and everything. Like nothing dramatic, nothing. Everyone reaching, like doing that or anything. Like of course the slow motion was there and everything, but there was no twist and nothing. Just so quiet and the luck piece falling and everything. Beautiful, beautiful. And of course, again, I'm not ashamed to talk about the animation. I won't apologize. They did a great job. They not only did a great job, they showed what they were trying to achieve or set out to achieve. Well, the plan did not work out. Maybe the budget, maybe there are many things. They are overworked and everything. But for the few minutes of that final matchup, they showed, animators showed, we are capable. We are not some idiots who can't do shit. No, we did, and we were also in the flow. And this is our love letter. So hope you fans enjoy it. That's what I'm at least taking it from the few seconds or few minutes of the gameplay. But yeah, man, so wild. Rin feeling like them portraying Rin as a loser. I can understand that feeling. Like he was leading his throughout his blue lock, and suddenly everyone overshadowing him. Suddenly everyone catching up to him. I can see that, like him feeling that way and everything. But yeah, that's cool. The last few episodes, man, the way Isagi got thrust into the middle, into the spotlight, like he was such an NPC at the start of the match, and I was the one. If you can see, if you want to see my reactions of the previous episodes, you can see it. I was criticizing him left and right, like he is useless, he is not capable enough, and everything. Like that was true, of course. I was not trying to criticize him for the sake of criticizing, but the way author wrote and everything worked out for Isagi, it was like, at least for me, it felt organic. It felt so smooth, like him turning and becoming the headpiece, like middle piece of the whole match and everything. Nice, man. I'm smiling. I'm so happy, so happy that Blue Lock did not end on a whimper. It ended on a blast. At least this season 2, and most probably we will be getting season 3, and it might have been already announced. I have not checked the internet till now, so I can't wait, guys. Hopefully it won't take a whole year for them. It's completely okay if it's going to take a whole year. Come on, take your time. The animators, you have shown what you guys can do, so do it for the next season, throughout the season. Don't rush it, please. Hopefully the studio will recognize that from the criticism. The ratings are down because of that, but yeah, Blue Lock, amazing job. I don't know what else to say. This season was amazing. The Mr. Policeman, I don't know what will happen to him. Sendo was good. Everyone, like Shido, what will happen to him? Hitoshi say, what will happen to him? Like, when will all of this converge? All of these players are like, is Mr. Policeman done for? I don't think so. Like, I think so he's fan favorite. So, like, who, if they are to be joining Blue Lock, like Hitoshi say and Shido and Mr. Policeman and all those people, if they join Blue Lock, Like, who will be removed from Blue Lock then? Someone has to go out for them to come in, right? And we are seeing more new characters. 2 characters entering, Wildcard and that Rose guy. I don't know. I will call him Rose, Mr. Rose. Like, who is that? And another point I want to mention. Hopefully, like, I'm not mistaking it. But episode 1. In episode 1, like with Isagi, there was a number 1 guy in his team who got disqualified in the first round itself, and he said, I will take revenge on you and everything, Isagi, because Isagi got ego and scored, like, he was the reason of his disqualification and everything. So when will he enter the game? Like, what about that? His threat? Like, did the author forget that? Hopefully not. But yeah, man, so great, so great. I'm just happy. I'm so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction to this episode. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and post the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction, and if you have any tips or suggestions for me, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please interact with this video, it will help me a lot. It will tell the YouTube algorithm that you guys like this kind of videos, and will push these videos to other people too. So please guys, please do it. It's free to do. So I hope you guys help me out here. And before thanking and ending the video, I also want to just put out that the next 2 animes that I'm going to react to are, of course, the Solo Leveling Season 2 and Sakamoto Days. I think so. That's what its name is. So yeah, these are the 2 series that I have picked up or planning to pick up for the next season, for the coming season. And yeah, hopefully that will satisfy you guys. And if you have any other suggestions for me to react to, please comment down below. That's the only way you guys can communicate with me. So please guys, do it. So for now, Solo Leveling Season 2 and Sakamoto Days. So if you are interested in seeing my reaction to those animes, please subscribe, push the notification bell so that you'll get notified when those videos drops, those reactions drop. I'll try to drop the reactions as soon as possible. And just as a another star point, I'm not a fresh viewer for season 2, like Solo Leveling Season 2. I'm actually a manhwa reader. I have read deep into the manhwa, like farther into the manhwa. So it's going to be from a perspective of a manhwa reader. So if you are interested in that too, please subscribe. Coming to Sakamoto Days, I don't know anything about it. I don't know the synopsis too. I'm going to watch it blind, like fresh watch. So I hope you guys enjoyed that too. But yeah, with all of this being said, before ending the episode, I would like to thank everyone who have always been supporting me throughout this season. I have had so much growth. Like, I crossed the 100 subscriber mark and everything. So I had not chance to thank you guys. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll meet you guys in the next anime's reaction. Also, check out my back catalog if you like it.